Hey friends, I'd like to talk to you real quick about how to check the air pressure in your tires. All right friends, so this is super easy. The only thing you need is a little air pressure gauge. You need to have one of these. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, but it needs to be similar to where you push in on your valve stem and it shows you the pressure in your tire. So this one works by pushing this into the valve stem, and then the pressure in the tire will push out and it'll show you the PSI, or the pounds per square inch of air in your tire. So first thing to do is super simple, folks. Undo the cap on your valve stem, push your gauge onto the valve stem, and then it will show you the amount of air in your tires. So it's super simple. Take your gauge, push it on, and it'll push out the amount of air you have in your tire, the PSI. You can look at it and say, is that enough? Is it good? Too little? Whatever. Then you can go ahead and fill it up or just leave it, and if it's too aired up, then you can let a little out. Now, here's a tip. On your tire, it has the max PSI. So if we look here, we'll see it'll say 51 PSI. That's the max. Okay, that's the max. What you need to do is open your car door and look for the sticker where it shows how much to air up your tires. That's what you want to follow. Not necessarily this. This is the max. Follow the sticker in your driver's side door. As you open the door, there you'll see it. Or just like this. Okay friends, so the door is open. If you look on here, it'll tell you what to air up your tires at. And this says, let's see, 29 PSI cold. Okay, so in this weather, I went at about 30 PSI, which is, I was about 32 on this, so my tires are good. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. So follow this, not necessarily what's written on your tires. So there you go friends, now you know how to check the air in your tires. Real quick, a tool I always keep in my truck, not only do I keep this, I keep this too. It's just a little air chuck. You can hook it up to a hose and then you can air up your tires. I keep this with me because it's the same connection as an air hose we would use on a job site. So if I was on a job site, had a low tire, I could always just hook this into a hose, air up my tire real quick. So also a nice little tool you can keep, super inexpensive. Both these are very inexpensive, but they're very useful tools to have. I would highly recommend you at least get an air pressure gauge for your tires, keep it in your vehicle. Folks, make sure you work hard. Do the thinking work before you're in a bad situation so you're not stuck in a rough spot without any options. And thanks for watching.